Wala, hindi naman shoot eh. Shoot, shoot. Ikaw, Clark. Go, shoot. Ano yung score, kuya? Ano yung score? Ha? 2 points? 2 points ang score? 3 points? 3 points? Okay. Kakayanin mo yan, nak. Kuya Clement, oh. Go! Defense! Oh, dribble. Pwede dribble. Yan. Bantayan mo si kuya, bantayan mo. Ay, double dribble, oh. Ano score? All one?
1, 2, 3, go. Balik ko.
Ay, double dribble. Double dribble man yan, kuya.